I know the way you say my name, like you're careful with the sound. I know the look you give the floor when your guard is coming down. We stood so close, I felt the heat, but neither one of us moved, like we were waiting for a sign, but we were both too scared to choose. I replay that moment in my head, wonder what you felt instead. Did your heart race like mine did then? I miss you when you're right in front of me, so close but we never crossed that line. My arms still feel the space you left in me. We were one touch away the whole time. I don't need forever, I don't need the truth. I don't need promises I can't hold on to. If there's one thing I'd go back to say, I was just one hug away. I know your voice, I know your eyes, I know the weight you carry in. I know the pauses in your words, like you were letting something in. We talked about the little things, like time was on our side, but silence said the loudest part when we both let it slide. If I could freeze that second chance before the moment passed, I'd be braver than I was back then. I miss you when you're right in front of me, so close but we never crossed that line. My arms still feel the space you left in me. We were one touch away the whole time. I don't need forever, I don't need the truth. I don't need the stars if I can't reach you. If there's one thing I'd go back to say, I was just one hug away. Maybe it was timing, maybe fear got in the way, maybe love don't always shout, sometimes it hesitates. But if I see you again, I won't let the moment fade. I'll say it with my arms if my words don't come out straight. Yeah, so close. I miss you like I lost you, even though you never left. You're still right here in my heartbeat, still heavy in my chest. I don't need forever, I don't need the truth. I just need that moment I never moved to. If the door is open even just a little today, I won't be one hug away. I won't let it slip away. No, I won't let it slip away. Yeah, one hug away. Early in the morning, got my apron tied. Sunlight in the window, got that sparkle in my eye. I'm dancing around the kitchen, pots and pans in tune. Sarah Packy vibing with a sweet little spoon. I'm cooking up love with a dash of grace, little bit of spice and a whole lot of taste. Every stir and sizzle got me feeling so fine. Sarah in the kitchen, girl, you know it's divine. Oh, I'm cooking up love, cooking up joy, whisking up dreams you can't kitchen kingdom, I reign like a queen, serving golden moments and dishes so clean. Steam in the air and I'm humming a tune. Rice in the pot, it'll be ready soon. Touch of ginger, sprinkle of